Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So this is another Hot Wheels NFT unpacking. These are all, I have 38 of these packs. I did a previous video where I opened up 50 of them and you guys will not believe what I got. I got like the craziest stuff, so definitely go down and check out the video. There's going to be a link in the description down below. Or you can just check out my channel. I have a whole playlist of Hot Wheels stuff now. But we're going to go ahead and open up 38 of these packs. Hopefully I get some pretty awesome stuff. So we're going to go ahead and get started with opening the first pack right here. And then I'm going to show kind of like the process for the first one, and then I'm just going to edit out and skip forward through a lot of the other ones just to save them a lot of the time, because this does take a few minutes just getting each pack to open. All right, here we go. First pack. And a bunch of uncommons and one rare, so really nothing good. Let's go on to the next one. And nothing good from that one. And ooh, right here, the picture isn't loading, but it's the super rare. It's the 55 Chevy panel. Heck yeah. Let's see if I can get that to load here so you guys can see what that looks like. Alright, well, I'll show you guys that car at the end. Or unless I get another one. And nothing good. Dang. Oh, look at that. We got a super rare right here. Another Chevy 55 Chevy panel. That's what the car looks like. So got two of those so far in this video. And hopefully we can get one of everything else. But we'll see. On to the next pack. And nothing good in that one. And nothing good in that one. And nothing good once again. And nothing good. And ooh, look at that. Got the McLaren F1. So yeah, definitely can't wait to see that when it comes in person. And ooh, look at that, I got another 55 Chevy panel. So I got 3 of those so far. And nothing good. Ooh, look at that, we got the Pagani Huayra Roadster. Heck yeah. So it looks like we have one more car that's the super rare. Which is one of the redeemable for the real cars. I'm actually drawing a blank on what that... Oh, the Aston Martin. So hopefully we get that. And nothing good. And... oh, look at that. Another 55 Chevy panel. Like, dang, I'm getting so many of those. Like, this is crazy. And nothing good. And nothing good once again. Dang. And another bust. And ooh, look at that. I got the Aston Martin Vulcan. For some reason the image is not loading. But for the super rare, I have gotten at least one of each so far. I'll show you guys that at the end if I don't end up getting another one. So all that's left is the, I forgot what rarity type. It's essentially like the Super Treasure Hunt, and it's like the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So hopefully we get another one of those. I did get maybe at least one in my last video, so definitely check that out. But on to the next pack. And nothing good. And look at that, we just got another Aston Martin Vulcan, the super rare. So that's what it looks like right there in that beautiful red. It's got that giant wing on the back. And look at that, another Aston Martin Vulcan. Heck yeah, like 2 back to back. And nothing good. Oh my gosh, we just got the ultra rare. This is the super treasure hunt of the Hot Wheels NFT. Oh my gosh. So out of all the 5 cars you can redeem for the real car, this is the rarest one. There's only 1,500. I don't know if you see it right there. 1,500 in the world. And just pulled one out of here. Oh my gosh, that's freaking amazing. So the other ones are out of 3,000 in the world, which is still pretty rare, but this is amazing. So yeah, definitely just got one of all the cars that we can redeem for the real cars. We still have some more packs to go. So let's go ahead, keep opening those, and who knows, maybe we'll get another one. I really hope we do. And nothing good. And look at that, another Aston Martin Vulcan. Heck yeah. And nothing good. And heck yeah, another McLaren F1. And oh, look at that, another Aston Martin Vulcan. We're definitely racking up on some of these super rares. And nothing good. Oh my gosh, we just got another ultra rare. That is so freaking awesome. Yeah, another Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So now we officially have at least 2 of everything that's redeemable for the real cars. So yeah, 2 full sets of 5. That is just absolutely amazing. Like, I'm kind of in shock right now. Like, this is such an amazing car. And I did get 88 packs of these. So, I mean, obviously my odds are pretty high, but this is just amazing. And nothing good. And nothing good. So this is the final 5 packs. So hopefully we get something crazy. There is still that one card that there's only 250 of. It's the rarest of. So hopefully we get one of those. And oh, look at that. Another 55 Chevy panel. And another Aston Martin Vulcan. And nothing good. Alright guys, so we have 2 packs left. We got this pack and one more after it. So let's see what we get. And dang, nothing good. Alright, on to the final pack. Here we go. Alright, final pack. Oh, please have something good. And nothing. Dang. Wow, yeah, what a way to wrap it up. Alright, so actually just remembered we only got 1 Pagani Roadster. So I mean, we have 1 complete set, and then we have almost 2 complete sets here in this opening. I mean, look at, we got a bunch of these 55 Chevy panels, and then also the Aston Martins. We got a bunch of those, but we got, as you can see right here, we got 2 of the Porsches. That is just absolutely amazing here. Wow, what an incredible unboxing. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. I actually spent a lot of money on these, and I wanted to make a really cool, awesome unboxing or kind of like unpacking video. So if you guys like this video, definitely hit that like button. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this video. And also, did you guys get anything crazy and awesome with your opening of your Hot Wheel NFT packs if you did pick some up? So also, let me click on one of these. The redemption date is August 24th of 2023. So a lot of people have asked about that. So starting on August 24th, I think it's for about a month, is when you can redeem these for the physical cars. Like, we are still, like, it's May 1st as I'm filming this video, and we still have a long time to go before these are able to be redeemed. Once you redeem them, it still takes a while for them to come in. So yeah, it's going to be a little while before I show you guys the actual car in person. But yeah, this is definitely an amazing unpacking video. So like I said, like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and also check out the previous video because I may or may not have gotten the rarest one, which is the showcase car. So definitely go check that video out. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.